Hi guys, welcome to LP Outdoors channel. In this today we are going to build a big structure. One bay of an acorn tent with span of 80 meters and height of 8 meters. And in this time we'll install exhaust fan and speed roller door. Now follow me to see. Here are the main tent kits, and look at this. Lag bins and roof bins. The specification of the lag bins is 300 by 150 by 5 millimeters, and the specification of the if bin 280 by 110 by 4 millimeters. It is worth knowing that this acorn tent we add 2 more intermediate purlin hanging coal on the top. Now, the frame is basically complete. Since this tent has 8 meters side height, we use these big legs to make the tent stable and ensure the safety of the user. And we can see the top, we have 2 more intermediate purlins than usual tent, which is prevent water accumulation on the top to dent the top cover. The top of the acorn tent is flatter. Rain and snow slide slower. If not add extra purlins, the cover area without support is easy to accumulate water and snow. Because if the increase of purlins, the cost of the acorn tent will be higher. Now we are installing the gable wall. Since this time we need to install exhaust fans and rolling door. So the gable structure is different than general tent structure. Now the 2 gables have been built and the top cover have been built. This side is a customized design, and this side wall we will install a rolling door. As you can see, there are 3 holes on the lag bins. We will embed the door frame into the lag bins. In this section, we will install a glass door. You can see there are lots of screw holes on the lag bins. And the if bin, we also have the holes to embed the door frame. The glass door, we will fix the side frame on the lag bins and place a bottom frame. Then we install this middle frame into the if bin and bottom frame. Finally, we embed the door body into the frame. Once the door was built, we use these door kits to fix the door. We installed 2 brackets on the 2 gable bins to form the frame, then embedded the exhaust fans into the frame and fixed it. This is the exhaust fan. There are the Velcro on the frame. The gable cloth has holes for the exhaust fan, and there have Velcro around the holes to make the cloth tightly stand on the fan frame. We fixed the aluminum tail on the lag bins, and then fixed the guide rail on this tail. We fixed the if frame on the lag bins through the splines, and then the exit of the rolling door will be fixed on the spline inside the frame. Now the 2 layers have been built. The top layer is PVC fabric wall. The down layer is a rolling door. The rolling door is a PVC material. This high-side tent is perfect for large-scale outdoor activities, and the spacious space is not only comfortable, but also can handle many accessories. In addition, it is also suitable for industrial warehouse tent to place large facilities. Motorized speed rolling door have a light door body, quick lifting, and the cost is lower. This video ends here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about TAN. See you next time.